Have you studied English for a long time, but you still feel stuck? You know grammar rules. You know many words. But speaking still feels hard. Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, let's learn 4 simple habits that really improve your English. Improving English is not about studying harder for one day. It is about small habits, done again and again. Let's learn 4 simple habits you can start today. First, practice a little every day. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours only on Sunday. Your brain remembers better with small, regular practice. Think about Sam. Sam studies English for 10 minutes every morning. Just 10 minutes. But every single day. After 6 months, Sam speaks much better, not because he studied a lot at one time, but because he practiced every day. Second, use English you enjoy. Don't only study from textbooks. Watch movies you like. Listen to songs you like. Play games in English. When you enjoy the content, you learn faster. Learning does not have to feel boring. Third, speak every day, even if you are alone. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Practice new sentences out loud. Do not wait for a perfect moment to speak. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every learner makes mistakes. Fourth, review old lessons. Many learners only move forward. New words. New grammar. New lessons. But they forget what they studied before. Go back. Review old words. Review old sentences. This makes your knowledge strong, not just wide. So, let's remember 4 simple habits. Practice a little every day. Use English you enjoy. Speak every day, even alone. And review old lessons. You do not need a perfect plan. You only need to start, and to continue. Small steps, every day, lead to big changes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.